What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can trade cryptocurrency as a Bybit p2p merchant using a small amount of capital as low as 200,000 naira, which is equivalent to 137 USDT, to earn as high as 500,000 naira, which is equivalent to 342 USDT on a monthly basis. Okay, so make sure you watch this video completely to get the full basic info on what I'm going to be revealing to you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV. And what we do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now is being uploaded right here on YouTube, you'll always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Bybit account dashboard right now. So before you can start making money right here on Bybit, you first of all need to have a verified Bybit account. Okay, so guys, having a verified Bybit account is quite easy. Okay, so the first step would be signing up on Bybit. All right, so the Bybit sign up link is going to be on this video description, guys. Okay, and it's also going to be on my WhatsApp and Telegram community. So all you just simply need to do is go over there, hit on the link, and it's going to take you over to the Google Play Store so you can download the Bybit app. Okay, so when you're actually done downloading the Bybit app, the next step would be to fill in all your details for sign up. Okay, so when you're actually done signing up, the next step would be it's going to bring you over to this dashboard you see right here. Okay, and while you are here on your dashboard, you simply hit on this human icon you see up here, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on mine right now. Boom. So as you can see, it says that my account is actually verified right now, as you can see right here. Okay, so how do you verify yours? You just simply hit on this arrow right here. As you can see, I'm going to hit on it. Okay, and then over here that says identity verification, you just simply need to hit on it, guys. Okay, it's going to load up. Here we are. So as you can see right here, guys, I'm currently on the standard verification level. Okay, and this includes the benefit of daily fiat. I get 50k USD, as you can see, but after upgrade I get 100k USD. Then down below here says my daily fiat withdrawal is 5k USD, and after upgrade I get 20k USD. Okay, so down below here says my daily crypto withdrawals is 1 million USDT, and after upgrade I get 2 million USDT. Okay, so as you can see over here, I've not yet successfully verified my proof of address. That's the reason why they've not yet upgraded my account, as you can see right here. Okay, I submitted one before, but they actually rejected it, so I'm going to try and re-verify again so I can actually get this upgrade. But for now, I'm okay with this current update I'm currently on right now. As you can see, it's actually okay for now. Okay, so when I actually have the time, I'm going to do the other upgrade. So guys, what do you need for upgrading your account, for actually verifying your KYC? So the basic things you need are your NIN if you're actually from Nigeria, or your national identity card if you're actually from other countries. Okay, and also you might be needing your driver's license, your international passport, and etc. So those are the basic documents you need to actually verify your Bybit account, guys. Okay, and also you'll be needing your proof of address. As you can see, mine got filled down below here. It is verification field unaccepted proof of address. Okay, so make sure yours is actually correct before you actually impute yours right here for verification. So that is basically the document you'll be needing to verify your Bybit account, guys. All right, so now that you know exactly how you can verify your Bybit account, the next step would be knowing exactly how you can start trading on Bybit as a merchant to start making the most amount of money you can make right here for yourself each and every single day, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now. I'm going to go back. Okay, so here we are back on my dashboard, guys. So right now, how do you start making money right here? So guys, the first step is locating the P2P trading section on your dashboard. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is mine over here, P2P trading, as you can see right here. But if you can't find yours over here, all you simply do is hit on this place right here that says more. Okay, it's going to load up. So as you can see, if you can't find it on the dashboard, you can actually find it on the more section. And as you can see right here, this is the P2P trading section right here, and then you just simply hit on it, guys. Okay, so that is it. So it's going to load up. Let's give this some time, guys. Okay, all right, so guys, here we are on the P2P section. Okay, so this is where merchants buy and sell cryptocurrency on a daily basis for daily profit, guys. Okay, so make sure to take note of that, daily profits. All right, so that is basically who the merchants are. They're actually persons who buy and sell crypto on a day-to-day basis, making daily profit for themselves. Okay, so mind you guys, there are lots of persons right here on Bybit to buy and sell crypto. Okay, so there's no hassle, there's no struggle, guys. People will come to buy from you and sell to you if your rate is actually good. Okay, so that is basically how you can turn up right here and make massive money for yourself by selling at good rate and buying at good rate. Okay, so that is basically how it is. All right, So as you can see over here, guys, this is the buy section, okay? And these are a bunch of merchants right here who are actually selling USDT to persons who wants to buy, okay? So a perfect example is this person right here called Dr. Peacemaker. As you can see, he's actually selling 1 USDT slash NGN for the sum of 1,462.50. As you can see over here that says buy. When you actually click on buy right now as a buyer, it means you're actually buying from this guy and this guy is selling to you. Okay, so that is basically what this buy section means. Okay, so buy is sell, and over here that says sell, sell is buy. Okay, so the persons over here are actually buying USDT from you because you actually want to sell your USDT to them. Okay, so that is the difference between the buy section and the sell section. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm trying to say right now. So if you actually do understand, just type on the comment section saying yes, done. I know what the buy side is and I know what the sell side is. Okay, so I know that you guys are following me correctly. All right, so when you actually know what the buy side is and what the sell side is, the next step is knowing how to place your ad. Okay, and as well knowing the rates you see right here. So as you can see, these guys are actually giving up USDT for the sum of 1,464. This guy is actually selling for 1,464. This guy is selling for 1,465. This guy is selling for 1,465 as well. Okay, so guys, why is this guy selling for 1,464? This guy is actually selling for 1,464 because he's actually trying to be at the top place of the ad right now, as you can see right here. Okay, so this guy is actually trying to sell at a good rate so people can actually come to him and buy from him. And as you can see over here, it's actually more like a new trader. He has just done about 16 orders and he has a 100% rating score. And as you can see right here, his time frame for delivering all your USDT to you is 15 minutes. Okay, so when you actually hit on buy right now, and then he actually wants to trade with you and you actually want to trade with him as well, it's going to take just 15 minutes or less to actually sell his USDT to you guys. Okay, so that is basically what I'm talking about. This guy is actually a good trader because he knows what to do to actually attract a lot of buyers to his direction. As you can see, he's selling at 1,464. So someone can just come right now to this dashboard and see that a lot of persons are selling for 1,465, but this guy's actually selling for 1,464, and he just clicks on buy and buy from this guy. Okay, so that is the basic reason why you need to know exactly what to do to actually attract buyers to you, so you actually sell more than the rest traders right here. Okay, so that is basically what this guy is trying to do up here. All right, so I believe you now know how to set your price to actually attract buyers to your direction. Okay, so the next step would be knowing how to set up your ad. So guys, I'm not going to be setting up any ad right now on this video because I don't want this video to get too lengthy, guys. Okay, I'm going to be showing you all how to set up your ad properly on my next video. Okay, so make sure you actually stay tuned to this channel. Smash on that subscribe button right now if you have not done that yet, and as well turn on the bell notification button so you actually get notified when I actually upload the next video and more amazing videos that are coming to this channel. Okay, so guys, with that being said, the next step would be showing you the profit potential using a 200,000 naira capital as a Bybit merchant. Okay, so how do you make profit using 200,000 naira? So guys, the very first step is hitting on the sell section over here. Okay, so remember guys, sell is buy. Okay, so anybody coming right here to the sell section is actually coming to sell their USDT to you, and you as a merchant is buying from the sellers. Okay, so that is basically what this is. All right, so guys, let's assume you have your 200,000 naira right now. So what do you do? So guys, the very first step is dividing your 200,000 naira by 10. Okay, so that gives you 20,000 naira. Okay, so why do you need to divide your 200,000 naira by 10? So guys, the reason why you need to divide your 200,000 naira by 10 is because that gives you a chance to actually make more profit. Okay, selling fragments of your USDT gives you the opportunity to actually make more money. All right, on the sales section, as you can see right here. Okay, so that is basically the reason why you need to divide your 200,000 naira by 10 to actually give you 20,000 naira. So while setting your sale ad, you're going to set it to be 20,000 naira to 200,000 naira. Okay, so this actually means that someone who has 20,000 naira worth of USDT can come sell to you and you're going to buy from them. Okay, so that is basically what this means, guys. Okay, so you just need about 10 persons to come sell their USDT to you to actually round up on the sell side, guys. Okay, so right now let's actually calculate the profit margin behind the sales side right here. So I'm going to hit on this place up here that says amounts. Okay, and then I hit on 20,000 naira, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on 20,000. I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, and over here that says all payment method, I'm going to hit on it and just simply hit on bank transfer and then hit on confirm down below here. Okay, so as you can see right here, guys, these are persons who are actually on the sales section who are actually buying USDT right now. As you can see, this guy's actually buying for 1,461.00. Okay, so guys, if I actually want to be ahead of these guys right now, I can just see I'm buying for 1,461.30. Okay, so I just top it up with just, one kobo, as you can see over here. So when I actually do that, I'm going to be ahead of these guys over here, and that means that a lot of persons are going to come here and come sell their USDT to me, guys. Okay, so that is basically what it is. Okay, so guys, how do we calculate our profit? Okay, so let's go over to my calculator right now so we see exactly how we can do that. Okay, so I'm going to go over there right now, guys. All right, so this is it. So I'm going to type in 200,000 naira, okay, divided by 1,461.3. Okay, so this actually gives us 136.8644 USDT. Okay, so this actually is the amount we're going to be getting when we are done buying USDT from the persons who came to sell to us. Okay, so that is basically the amount we'll be getting. All right, so I'm going to go back to my Bybit account right now. So I'll actually go over to the, buy side to sell this USDT, so we actually know the profits we'll be getting when we're actually done selling. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay guys, so here we are back on my Bybit account. So I'm going to hit on the buy section right here, so we'll actually sell our USDT. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says amount and just simply hit on 200,000. Okay, so I'm going to be selling the whole of our USDT right here on the buy section. Okay, I'm going to hit on 200,000 right here. I'm going to hit on confirm. All right, and over here that says all payment method, I'm going to hit on it and just simply hit on bank transfer and then hit on confirm. Okay, so guys, mind you, there are a bunch of Bybit users who are actually buying bulk. Okay, so don't be scared. 200,000 naira is actually a little amount of money for some persons to actually purchase. Okay, people purchase millions of USDT right here on Bybit on a daily basis. Okay, so nothing to worry about. All right, so you just set your order to be 200,000 naira and someone is going to come to buy from you immediately. Okay, so guys, as you can see over here, this guy called Gaddafi is actually selling for the sum of 1,467 naira, as you can see right here. Okay, so guys, to actually top up this guy, to actually be ahead of this guy right now, you can actually see, okay, we're going to be selling for the sum of 1,466.99. Okay, so that price is actually good enough to actually be at the top of this guy right here. Okay, so that is basically how to be ahead of your competitors right here on the Bybit P2P merchant section. All right, so guys, let's actually go over to my calculator right now, so we'll calculate the profit behind this trade. Okay, so I'm going to go over there, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on it and just type in 1,466.99. okay, so remember, this is actually our selling price. Okay, it's actually much more better than the rest price over there on Bybit. So we'll just multiply by the total amount of USDT we got after buying USDT from the sell side from persons who came to sell to us. Okay, so remember, it was around 136.8644. okay, 136.8644. So as you can see over here, guys, this is actually equal to 207,078.706156. okay, so let's actually subtract this from our initial capital of 200,000 naira. Okay, so this actually gives us 778.7. okay, so this is actually our profit on one trade, guys. This is actually our profit on one trade. And guys, mind you, can actually multiply this trade. You can actually go different rounds on this trade each and every single day. Okay, so let's actually say you go for let's say 20 round in a day. Okay, times 20, so that gives us 15,000 naira in a day. Okay, so 15,000 naira in a day times 7 days. All right, this actually gives us 109,000 in 7 days. Okay, so in a month it's going to be 109 times 4. So in a month, it's going to be 436,075.44 kobo. Okay, so this is actually the amount of money you're going to be making monthly just by trading using 200,000 naira capital as a merchant on Bybit, guys. Okay, so this is actually amazing. All right, so if you are looking to scale up your small capital to a more reasonable capital, the Bybit P2P merchant is actually a place where you can actually do that, guys. Okay, so this is why you see thousands and millions of merchants right there on Bybit buying and selling USDT to you who are the consumers. Okay, so you actually wonder why they actually sell USDT and buy USDT right there. That is because they actually make so much money from it, guys. Okay, and mind you, 200,000 naira is actually a small amount of money compared to what other traders right there are using for trading. Okay, people use millions of naira in trading right there on Bybit. Okay, so that is the basic reason why you just need to find yourself in that position right now to actually start scaling up your small capital to actually grow it to a much reasonable capital for yourself. Okay, and mind you, guys, you need to be careful while trading right there on the Bybit P2P as a merchant. Okay, there are lots of terms and conditions you actually need to follow up to actually be on the safer side, guys. Okay, so guys, I believe this is actually where I'm going to be drawing this curtain for today on this video. And on my next video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can set up ads for yourself. Okay, set up real ads and start making money. Okay, so guys, if you actually want that video, just go down below this comment section and just say, hey Don, we need that video. And boom, guys, I'm going to start working towards creating a video on that aspect for you guys, so you guys can make the most amount of money for yourself as a Bybit merchant. Okay, so guys, thank you all for watching this video. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever I actually upload amazing videos like this one you just watched right now here on YouTube, you would always be the first to get notified, and then you hop into it to start making money right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.